Types of outputs in Java, Menuka. See, in computer programming, we have four types of output. Four types of output. One is value based, value based output. Value based output. Next, uh, value based output. Next, Boolean. Boolean output or result. Next, constant, built-in constant, constant based output. Next, dynamic output. Dynamic output. Observe Menuka. Now tell me, Menuka. We have
Yes, sir.
four types of output or result in our uh, Java programming, not only in Java programming, any computer programming. What are the four types? Tell me the names of four type of output or result. First one, value based result. Second one,
Yes.
Boolean
Condition.
output or result. Third one, constant based output. Last one, dynamic output. Okay. First
Yes,
one,
sir. Value based.
value based output. I will provide example, then you can get more clarity. Value based output. What is value based output? When we get this type of value based output, suppose 100, is it a value based output or not? Is it
Yes,
value
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Suppose true, is it value?
Boolean.
It is logical value, na? It is also value, but not mathematical value. Logical value, na?
Yes, sir.
It is a logical value. Okay. Just a minute. Suppose arithmetic. Arithmetic operators. Operators and some built-in methods. Some built-in methods provide type of result. This type of result. Example. Suppose int x equals to 100, int y equals to 7. From that out that println. From that out that println. X into y. This asterisk symbol is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator.
Yes.
Suppose x minus y. It is also arithmetic operator. Suppose x uh, y. It is also arithmetic like that. Suppose first one 700. Second one 93. Third one 107. All these are mathematical values. 793. Next, just a minute. System.out.println math.max. Observe, this math is predefined class available in lang package. Lang package will be loaded automatically. The system also in lang package. Math dot max, suppose x y. It will return mathematical value. Now observe Menuka 12th statement, 12th line.
Yes, sir.
Math.max. Max is built-in method. Built-in method. What I told. Arithmetic operators and
Yes.
some built-in methods, not all. Some built-in methods. Max of x comma y. Now tell me, which one is the maximum number between x and y?
X 100.
X is maximum number. It will display that number. Output is value 100. Okay. Suppose system.out.println math.min. Min also built-in method. First value x, y. Now tell me output, this one 13th line.
7.
7. Run the program. These all are mathematical values. Okay, na? First type of output. I fulfilled my definition. Second type, Boolean output. Boolean output. Here, comparison. Next, logical operators. Return operators and some built-in methods. Some built-in methods return this type of output. Observe, return is perfect term. Here I am using provide return this type of comparison and logical operators. And otherwise you can do like this: comparison comma logical operators and some built-in methods return this type of output. I will fulfill that statement. Example. Say int x equals to int y equals to 20. Suppose system.out.println x equals to y. This double equals to is comparison operator. Next, x not equals to y, exclamation. Now tell me, Menuka, What is the eighth statement output? X equals to, it returns
False.
Boolean output.
Yes, sir.
False. Why both are not equal? False. Next, X not equals to Y. True. Yes, both are
True.
not same. Both are not same. True. True. Run the code. False true. Boolean output. It is not mathematical output. Boolean output, or you can say logical output. Next, some built-in methods also. I told now some built-in methods. Okay. For example,
Yes, sir.
String A equals to selenium, comma B equals to selenium. B equals to selenium. Next, system.out.println. A is object, that is a string type object. A dot uh, equals method supports two-way comparison and it returns Boolean result. What is that? What is the output of this one? False statement, Menuka.
False.
False. False. Next, observe. System.out.println EA. I'm using another method. Observe. This method I didn't introduce to you. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will introduce these methods. Ignore equals A dot equals ignore case B. Now tell me the 13th statement output. See, equals ignore case. Forget about letters, capital S or small s. But if it is different value, suppose selenium versus UFT, both are different. But selenium, case is different. My method is ignore case. Equals ignore case.
True.
True. Equals ignore case is true. Run the program. 4 outputs in this program. False, true, false, true. False, true, false, true. If you want blank line, system.out.println, open and close parenthesis. Run the program. False, true, false, true. Next, this is about second out, Boolean out. Next, third one, constant based out. Constant based out. See, some built-in methods. Built-in methods return some built-in methods return this type of result. Example. Don't focus on this example. I think day after tomorrow in built-in methods chapter, built-in methods in Java chapter, we will discuss this one. Now comparing two numbers, comparing two numbers, three-way comparison. Three-way comparison. Don't focus on it. In three-way comparison of two numbers, if both are equal, then it will return 0. But 0 is built-in constant. Built-in constant, fixed value. But 0 is not number. Next, suppose number 1 greater than number 2, 1. Number 1 less than number 2, minus 1. 1 minus 1 are built-in constants. The nth, suppose num1 equals to 10. Next, suppose num2 equals to 11. Num2 equals to 11. I'm focusing on three-way comparison. Don't focus. It's system.out.println. Suppose math dot what is that one? Compare to. This compare to on not on this one. Not on this one. Is integer type. Suppose wrap this num1 and num2 as integers, integer objects. This int is primitive data type. Primitive data type. Menuka. Suppose num1. After num1, type dot, nothing is coming. It is not string. It is not object. Suppose make it as object. Don't focus on this syntax. That we will discuss later. I am making these two integer variables as integer objects. Suppose integer class. Integer class. Integer class. Capital letter only. Integer. Spelling integer. Suppose x equals to num1. Observe Menuka.
Yes, sir.
What is num1? What is num1?
10.
Num1 is 10. We are making as integer object x. What is the x value?
10.
X value is num1. Num1 value is 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, integer object y. Y num2. What is y value? Y value is num2. Num2 value is 11. 11. Suppose observe x dot. It is method. Okay. Now system dot out dot println x dot x is an integer object. Y also integer object, not integer data. Integer object. X dot integer, not integer data type. Integer object, but value x value 10. Y value 11. Mathematical values only. Compare to another object y. Another object y. What is the output? -1.
The dot compared to.
What is your problem?
The dot compared to y. What that method compared to method?
Compared to method is a number method.
Minus. It's
number method. It is applicable on integer object that we will discuss later. Just a minute. We discussed three-way comparison now. Three-way comparison of two strings we discussed. Three-way comparison of two strings means string 1 equals to string 2, 0. String 1 greater than string 2, positive value or greater than 0. String 1 less than string 2, negative value or less than 0. But here in three-way comparison of numbers. I already explained three-way comparison of two numbers in previous chapter. You can check that class notes after the class. Already explained. Once again, num2. If num1 equals to num2, then 0 in three-way comparison of numbers. 0. Next, first number greater plus 1, or you can say 1. Second number greater means number 1 less than. This is -1. This is the result criteria from Java. Now tell me, see here X is object. We are using compare to method, number method.
Yes.
See, compare to method
Yes,
available on strings as well as numbers. Now tell me, what is -1 na? Number 1 less than number 2, -1. -1. Okay na? Otherwise, you create X only variable, X only object, X only object. Now tell me, what is the X value? Num1. What is the num1 value? 10. So X goes to 10 na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I am comparing with the direct value. X is object. That's why I am applying method on that object. Direct value. X dot compare to 10. What is the output?
Minus X.
You are
X dot
thinking it is LKG question. Num1 equals to num2. What is that one? 0. Here num1 is first value, left side value. Num1 is first side value. X is left side. X is num1. Num1 is 10. Right side second number 10. If num1 equals to num2, 0, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next, num1 means X compared to 9. Left side value is bigger. Num1 greater than num2. What is the output?
1.
1 plus 1. Next, X greater than, X compared to 14. Right
Yes,
side
one.
value is bigger. Means first number less than second number is -1. Run the code.
Yes, 4.
G. Pardon?
Okay.
Any
No,
problem?
sir. Got it.
Run the code. Observe. 0. Both are equal. 1. First number bigger. -1. Second number bigger. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
What is this 0? What is this 1? What is this -1? These are built-in constants. This is constant-based result. Third type. Next, last type of result. What is the last type of result? Dynamic output. I will show an example. Last 1 minute. Observe. Suppose I am creating data object. Don't focus on this one. Suppose date class. Suppose date class. My date equals to new date. Import date from Java util. Next, system.out.println my date. It will print current system date, Menuka.
Yes, sir.
Date, year, date, time also with seconds. Date and time with seconds. Observe. Date and time with seconds now.
Yes, sir.
9 Indian Standard Time. It's based on the current system. 9:01 44 seconds. Suppose 10 plus 3, arithmetic operation. 10 plus 3, 13. If you execute the same script, 13. Suppose if you execute the same program 1,000 times, 13, 13, 13, 13. That is fixed. Here it is dynamic. Suppose first time my output is 9:01 44 seconds. Run the program once again. This time 9:02 25. Output changed now.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you execute the same program tomorrow, November 23, next year, 2022. Suppose 10 into 7, if you execute the program this year today, 10 into 7, 70. After 10 years, 70. After 100 years, 70. But this is dynamic output. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Dynamic output. Okay, now I'm going to close the today's session. Tomorrow we'll discuss important one, Java methods. I'm going to close the session. Any queries regarding this today's class?
Yes, sir. All good. Thank you so much.
Okay. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.